Hello, friends of Liberty. I'm Thomas Cole. I run a political data analysis company in Montecito, California. Now, my son ran for state assembly back in 2020 in California 37, and I ran for the California GOP chair a few months ago. So my data company found that parent issues were very important to both Republicans and Democrats. And we have been presenting slideshows to parents in libraries and such, showing exactly what's going on in school libraries and curriculums, to reach out to more parents. We made some flyers with images of a California junior high library book and passed them out to parents in front of a school. And these are salacious images from the genderqueer book. It's so popular with the left. So I and several associates were standing on the sidewalk talking to parents, handing out the posters. And the principal comes out yelling. He says, "Get off the sidewalk. I'm calling the police." And then a county school supervisor shows up. And a minute later, they called the police on us when we didn't run away. But we did leave eventually. And this threatening and calling the police is a textbook example of a First Amendment free speech violation by state actors. So from my law school days, this is what the First Amendment is all about: protecting speech from government coercion. So a few months later, we sued the school district and administrators in federal court at Los Angeles. And you can see the whole suit at our website, coalition4liberty.com. That's coalition, the number 4liberty.com. And we are not claiming the material in these porno junior high library books is pornographic, but they are. Except the thing is, no federal judge wants to decide that issue. And that issue would not be a federal issue, so we'd never get into federal court. So that's out of the question. What we are doing instead, we are arguing in court that the school district is using police powers to chill our speech to parents, and that is protected speech. So as our lawyers out there know, we now have a federal case and controversy. And we are certain it's very important that we're able to reach parents on school sidewalks and outside of school board meetings. These are free speech zones, and so we filed suit to make sure that we can have those rights defended. So right now, Cole v. Reinschild is our suit against the district to decide if schools can use police powers to prevent citizens from informing parents of porn books, of grooming materials, and the CRT in school curriculums and libraries. So the district may argue that the materials we passed out to parents were abrasive, inappropriate, controversial. But of course, the materials were from the district's own libraries for 12-year-olds. And this is a strategy I and our lead attorney, Jonathan McKee in Goleta, formulated to put the school district in a box. The district is caught in a catch-22. If the material is terrible and Cole should be enjoined from passing it out, then why is it made available for 12-year-olds in school libraries? Or, on the other hand, if the district contends that the material is just fine for 12-year-olds in schools, then what is the problem with us passing it out to parents? So that's the box with nails in it that the school district is now in. Now, we have funded this case so far. I drew up the plans and strategies and had our attorneys file and serve the school district and all the administrators that we sued. But we're going to need some financial help soon when the school district hires Perkins Coie to take us out of the court. And that's Hillary's law firm in D.C. They're going to send in Perkins Coie just like they did for Fair Education in Santa Barbara. So this is an opportunity for concerned parents and others to tell the California school system, we will not be silenced. We will show the parents what's in the school libraries and in the classrooms. So I appreciate your generous donation, as lawsuits are expensive, even when you are in the right. We will keep you updated financially and informed on this important case at our website, coalition, the number 4liberty.com. Let's defend freedom of speech and defend our children. I'm Thomas Cole. Thank you.